Welcome, this is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video I'm going to show you another example of creating a thumbnail using the thumbnail templates that we have from Canva. So one more time, we'll go over to create a design and then click on YouTube thumbnail, and then it opened up a blank page for me. You can choose one of these templates from here. Let's say we go with this template. First thing I'm going to change is the background, so I'm going to select the background here and we'll go and we'll choose a radiant color. Let's say we go with this color. This looks much better, and I'm going to change the image here, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this image and we'll go over to the upload section and we can see an image that we liked. Okay, so I'm going to choose this image here. This is a red image of mine that in the red outfit. I'm going to go ahead and select this image, and here I'm going to edit the image and we'll do the BG remover. And I hope I'm not talking too fast because I've been doing it for a while, so I'm so used to it being fast in this one. But you can see here all we did was we changed the background by selecting this background here and changing the color. Then we added a image here, and now this image I wanted to put it on a white background. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go over to the elements here and we will drop an element here, and I'm going to drop this element, and we will go ahead and select this, and there is a position element on the top. You can say select that position element and you can say to back. So what it'll do is it will send that rectangle in the back, and then I'll select the color of that rectangle, not the image but the rectangle here. So now you're not able to select that, so that's fine. You reduce this, you select, now you're able to select it. You just have to figure out a place you can reduce the size, and then you can select this, and let's say we change this to white. Okay, so now this looks much better, and if you wanted to change the angle of this, you can do that also. Let's say we do something like this, and you can see here this looks different, and we'll expand this and to all the way up here and all the way on the top. So this is how the image looks like. It looks much better. We started with a different image, but we got all this way. Similarly, it says how to run $1 million business. We can say how to make, and then I'll change this one with money, and then I'll change this one, select this with, and then I'm going to select this one and I'll say Canva. Okay, now if I want to change this color, okay, so all I need to do is select this, and I'm going to select this alphabet here, A, and make it black. If you like it, it's good. If you didn't like it, you can make it red also by selecting this red, so then it has that uniqueness of the image. This is how it is, but it doesn't look nice, so I'll change it to white. Let's see if the white works. Okay, white looks much better. How to make money with Canva. Similarly, you can add the element on here as well. So let's say we add something like this, and we change the color of this element to black. Okay, and then we'll layer it up. We'll select this and we'll say position, and we'll say send back to back. So now this came, and money with Canva, and we'll move it around. So this is another way of making a thumbnail, and I hope you enjoyed it. All we did was we dropped this elements and it gave a completely different look to this image. And if you wanted to expand this size here, you can do that. Take it all the way to this, and you can see here it has a split. It looks like a split here. How to make money with Canva. There is a thumbnail here, and then you have these images that you have added. So this is another thumbnail that we have created using the existing thumbnail that we had. We added an image, we added. Now if you wanted to add any of these icons, let's say I wanted to have money icon here, you can select those icons, go over to the elements, and you can select the you can go for money, and it will give you these different icons that are available. you can go ahead and select one of these. Let's say we go with this and we drop it on below this page. You can reduce the size of the icon, you can do that, and you can say like this also. So this is another icon that you can add, is by going over to the, if you want graphics, you can see these are the different graphics that are available. You can choose whichever option you want. If you want to change the color of this, you can do that also by, let's say we go and change it to black, and then this one I'm changing it to white. So let's say this one. So this is the how to make money with Canva. Or we can change it to green again. And you have these different colors of green. So let's say we do this. Okay. So now this is how the icon, you can change the color of it. If you didn't like it, you can drop it, and we'll do this one. And if you like some of the other icons, you can say dollar bill, money bag, depending on wallet, whatever you want. So if you say with the money, if it starts with money here, dollar bill, let's say these are the different dollar bills that are there. Frames, you can add it. If you want to add a frame in the shape of a dollar, you can do that also, but we don't want to do it. Let's say we select with these dollars. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and reduce the size, and we will drop it over here and reduce the size again. So this looks perfect. It has all these images, and you can reduce the size if you want by bringing the corners together, and this is how you reduce the size. Okay, if you want to make it a little bit bigger, you can do that. Now your image is ready, your thumbnail is ready. You can position it like this. So you can say how to make money with Canva. So this is the second thumbnail that we have created using an existing template, and we completely changed that template. Now in the next tutorial, I'm going to start from scratch, from empty slate, and we will build a thumbnail. Okay, so I'll see you then. Thank you so much.